Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 7.6, right? See, in that integral, in this exercise, the integrands are given as a product. In this exercise, the integrands are given as a product. Product rule and all we didn't have like a differentiation. So here you are going to use the integration by parts formula, right? Integration by parts. The formula first I will write integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du, right? Because why you are using this formula? Here the integrands are given as a product. We cannot integrate directly. Either you can adapt substitution, I said. Here I am going to introduce the things as integration by parts. Integration by parts. What is the formula? You have to repeat it, children. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Got it? First of all, we want to choose which function is u. That two functions are given, I said. We want to choose the function one as u, another one is integral dv. In that, we are going to use the concept as ILATE. I-L-A-T-E. For choosing the function as u, you can adapt this formula. Right? I is represented inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. Then L is represented logarithmic function. Right? Logarithmic function. If you want, I will write in the full form. Right? Logarithmic. Function. Right? A, it represents algebra. A, it represents algebra. Logarithmic. Right? Log function. Next, T is represented trigonometry. T is represented trigonometry. E is represented exponential, right? Exponential, logarithmic, right? Using ILATE only you are going to select which function is u, right? If inverse trigonometry exists, that is your u. Suppose log and algebra, log is your u. Algebra and trigonometry, you should use algebra as u, right? Based on this format only, you are going to select the function as u. While doing the sum, you can understand, right? Exercise 7.6, question number 1. You see your integral sin x into x dx. Got it? Integral sin x into x dx. Using the ILATE, you are going to select which is your u, right? Which is your u. Which is your u? Algebra is your u. U equal to x. U equal to x. Integral dv equal to, the next function is integral dv. Sin x into dx. Got it, children? Algebra first. That's why you are selecting x as u. Integral sin x dx as integral dv. Got it or not? Yes. Now, what is the formula I said? u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. U. What is your du? Du equal to dx. Got it? You are differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. First you write u equal to x. Here du. When you differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, you will get it as du by dx equal to 1. Then I wrote directly du equal to dx. When you integrate dv, it becomes v. Integrate sin x as minus cos x. Right? When you integrate sin x, what it is? Minus cos x. Now you are going to move to the formula. Sin x, x dx equal to, what is your u? X. What is your v? Minus cos x minus cos x into dx. Right? Again you want to integrate the second part. First part you have no issue. So what is the result you arrive? You see, minus x cos x minus into minus plus integral cos x dx. What is the integration of cos x dx? Sin x. Got it? Plus sin x. Once the integration is over, you should add the arbitrary constant. Right, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, the result, integral x sin x dx equal to x cos x plus sin x plus c. Right? Here the integrand comes under the product of two functions. So you are adapting integration by parts. Then how to select u using the ILATE. ILATE in the sense inverse trigonometry, logarithm, algebra, and then trigonometry, exponential. Right? Now I am going to move to question number 2. What it is question number 2? Anyone? Yeah. Integral x into what? Sin 3x dx. Got it? Here which is your u? ILATE. Inverse, logarithm, algebra. So u equal to x. When you select u, you have to differentiate. Du equal to dx. Integral dv equal to integral sin 3x dx. V equal to minus cos 3x divided by 3. I told you coefficient of x should be integrated in terms of division. Now you come to the formula. This one you should consider as I. I equal to uv minus x into cos 3x divided by 3 minus of integral minus 3 minus cos 3x divided by 3 into dx. Now minus x cos 3x divided by 3 plus 1 by 3 into integral cos 3x dx. What is the integration of cos 3x dx? Minus x cos 3x divided by 3 plus 1 by 9 into sin 3x plus c. Got it, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now what is your I? I equal to minus x cos 3x divided by 3 plus 1 by 9 sine 3x plus c. Now I am going to move to question number 3. Question number 3. Integral x square e power x dx. Right. Here also the function it comes under product. You cannot integrate. You should adapt integration by parts. Which function you want to select as u using the highlight, right? Algebra. That means u equal to x square. What is your du? Du equal to what it is? 2x into dx. Integral e power x dx equal to e power x, right? Integral dv equal to, here v equal to e power x. Now we are going to move to formula. What is the formula? First you should take this as I, right? I equal to uv, x square into e power x minus, the 2 you should take it outside, x into e power x dx. Here again the function it comes under product. You want to apply integration by parts, right? This one you should note it as I1, right? Finally we go and substitute. I1 equal to integral x e power x dx. Here also you are going to take the same. U equal to x, du equal to dx. Whenever you arrive product of the functions or product, you should adapt integration by parts, right? Integral dv equal to integral e power x dx. That means v equal to e power x. Finally, you should add the arbitrary constant, right? Which is equal to x into e power x minus integral e power x into dx. Now x e power x minus e power x. Finally, I equal to x square into e power x minus 2 into x e power x. Already one minus is there, so minus into minus plus 2 e power x plus c. Got it, children? How you are doing? If you want, you should take e power x as common. Otherwise, you leave. You don't want to disturb. Right? Now, we are going to move to question number 4. What is question number 4? I equal to integral x log x dx. Here, which one you want to take it as? You highlight, right? Inverse trigonometry, logarithm, after that only algebra. So, u equal to log x. What is du by dx? That is du equal to 1 by x into dx. Integral dv equal to integral 1 by x dx. Right? Now, v is equal to, what is the integration of 1 by x dx? Any idea? Any idea, children? Integral 1 by x dx. What it is? Log x. Right? Now, I equal to uv. What is your u? Log x. What is your v? Highlight log function before algebra, right? What is your u? Log x. What is your v? That is also log x, right? X. Oh, sorry dear, I commit mistake. So I am thinking, right? Integral dv equal to x into dx b equal to x square by 2. Sorry children, I wrote this way. 1 by x dx we cannot, right? Now I equal to x square by 2 into log x, right? Shall I write like this? Right. Minus integral b du, that is x square by 2 into 1 by x dx. Now, sorry children, what mistake I did, you should not do that, right? X square log x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx, which is equal to x square log x divided by 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. Got it? Now you understood children? Yes. Now I equal to x square log x by 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. Now question number 5. Question number 5. The same. I equal to integral x into log 2x dx. Here also which one you want to take as u? U equal to log 2x. Right. Then du equal to 1 by 2x into 2. Got it or not? Log 2x. Now, integral dv equal to integral x dx. Sorry, into dx. Right? 2 cancel, which is equal to x square by 2. What is your v? What is your v children? v equal to x square by 2. I equal to ub. What is your u? Log 2x. What is your v? X square by 2. So x square by 2 into log 2x minus integral x square by 2 into 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. Got it? Say yes or no? Yes. Now x square by 2 into log 2x minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx. Now I equal to x square by 2 log 2x minus 1 by 4 into x square plus c. Got it children? How we are integrating? If the function comes under product, say yes or no? Yes. Now question number 6. Question number 6. I equal to integral x square log x dx. Here u equal to, logarithm only comes under first. Du equal to 1 by x into dx. Integral dv equal to integral x square dx. V equal to x cube divided by 3. I equal to uv x cube by 3 log x minus integral x cube by 3 into 1 by x dx. X cancel. Now x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3 into x square dx. Got it children? Say yes or no? Now I equal to x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 9 into x cube plus c. Got it, children? Now you understood how we are doing? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, tomorrow I will continue the rest of the thing. Thank you, children.